In the beginning, God made Hello World. I think genuinely over 90% of projects peak at the Hello World stage. Fuck me. But being able to print Hello World on your screen just like that is built upon many privileges, including monitor, keyboard, mouse, if you're not a virgin, operating system, graphic, terminal, etc. The etc at the end means I just don't know what I'm talking about. So how would you do it on bare metal hardware? Alright, time's up, dummies. A blinking LED is a answer. I mean, how dumb would you have to be to not be able to? In order to do this, we use an Arduino. This one's an Arduino. Well, this one at least works. So just like any system, our Arduino has the ability to receive input and give us appropriate output. The Arduino has a bunch of GPIO pins which we can configure in the way we want them to behave. For example, here we want the pin that has a built-in LED as our blinking LED. We want the pin that has a built-in LED as our blinking LED. So if we're going to spit something out from that LED pin, we're going to set it to output type shit. Subscribe. We're going to do this just when the board powers up in the beginning, but for blinking, we want it to happen over and over. So to do that, we're going to put it in the loop function, because it loops. Look, if this is already getting complicated, with all due respect, I suggest you click off the video. Because we have the positive of the LED connected to the Arduino, to turn it on, we put it on a high state, and to turn it off, we put it on a low state. And with that, it should all be set. So we build it, and then upload it, and... A few moments later. Okay, since this is a fresh install of Linux, there's some stuff missing, and... Alright, copium aside, after installing the drivers, there was still this blocking my programmer for some reason, and the fix is just disable it. If you are on Linux as well and having upload issues, you might want to check the link in the description, and then leave a like. Or else. But I mean, now that we can upload the code, it should work, right? Not exactly. See, by default, the Arduino operates on 16 MHz, and that roughly translates into the LED turning on and off millions of times every second, which is a little too fast for your goofy eyes to catch it. And as you might have guessed it, we want to introduce delay to our loop. Rookie mistake. Don't forget the delay after turning it off, otherwise you're literally immediately turning the LED back on and it just won't blink. And with that said, with a blind faith, you build and upload your code, hope for the best, and there you go. If you want to make it a little more visually appealing, you can just add an external LED, change the pin, and then was this one dead too? Shouldn't have bought these from Temu, man. Alright, there we go. It's not an Arduino, but I've literally broken every single Arduino I had today. But it would look exactly the same, except the pin number would be a bit different. Well, there you have it. Hello world, bare metal. Gotcha! This video is sponsored by me, because I'm like so famous and that. Are you a company with a product or project? Are you a uni student that needs help? Are you just a random dude with a project in mind? Well, you're in luck, cause I'm here. You can reach out to me via email in the description to get your project done while your boy earns some cash. Sounds like win-win to me. So hit me up on email in the description, and with that said, thank you for watching, like, subscribe, comment, I'll see you in the next one, bye.